Hello everyone. Our today's topic is take rest when it's needed. So friends, we know that we all are very busy in many types of work. Some of us are busy in our jobs, some of us busy in our jobs, some of us busy in daily routine just like study and for preparation of competitive exams. Some of us busy in daily household works just like my mom and my sisters, they are busy in their online class also. So which is very common among all of us, we all are busy in our particular works. Yes, it's true, we all are busy. And one thing which is very common among all of us is we are busy in mobile phones and social media. Yes or no? Yes, actually, this time when I recorded this video, then I am busy in recording just because of a smartphone. And when you are watching this video, then you are also busy in social media. This it is true because mobile phone and social media is a part of our life, day to day life, because it's just like eating foods and drinking water. It is also necessary to open our mobile and just check our WhatsApp status, our WhatsApp stories, Instagram stories, and Facebook updates. Every day we give approximately half an hour minimum, I think, minimum half hour, 30 minutes in our social media accounts. But do you think it is very necessary for us? Can we not take a small break from WhatsApp, from social media, from this smartphone also? I think, from my opinion, we should take a little break from this social media and from mobile phone also. Because just think, when we haven't any mobile phone and any social media account, then what is our life? It was more happy and I think more productivity and more creativity. I remember when I was in class second or third, uh, there are no mobile phone in our house, and I remember that day we create arts and craft just like from plastic materials and from soil. We make it on home, and on the occasion of Basant Panchami, we displayed. And one of the great thing of our school was we take approximately some sugar and flour, wheat flour, and bring it to our school and make pudi and I remember that pudi and just kheer. Yes, on the occasion of Basant Panchami, we celebrated that day in our school, and we also worship goddess Saraswati on that day, and draw a picture of goddess Saraswati on blackboard with chalks, colorful chalks. It was amazing, man. Yes, it's really amazing because creativity, our creativity increased. We explore our creativity just from how can we make so many extraordinary examples given because of just that day. And that day and today, we cannot imagine our one day without mobile phone or without social media account also. But it is not very necessary. We can take a break when it's needed. When you think, when you observe that your mind is not working properly, your thinking is stopped and you stuck somewhere just because of unlimited uses of social media account, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and Instagram, the whole mind is jammed, then must take a break. And just take 1 day, 2 day, it depends on you, it's not necessary, it depends on you. Take a small break because वो बोलते हैं ना, हैव अ क्रिकेट ब्रेक, वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट में वी सी एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑन टीवी ऑल्सो, लेट्स हैव अ क्रिकेट ब्रेक. सो जस्ट टेक अ ब्रेक and refresh your mind, because if you take break, then your mind become very cool and your imagination power become high and new creative thoughts are coming because of this break. And your sleeping time is very good, so that after taking the break, your memory power become more stronger. Just like if you are in short term memory loss, if any memory you lost very early, then your memory, this problem will be solved and your memory will be long term memory. And one of the best thing is your productivity. I know where you are, I don't know, and where you are working, but your productivity will increase after taking this short break. So there are so many benefits of taking break from social media or from this mobile phone also. So just think, if you are stuck anywhere, if your mind is stuck anywhere, take a break. And this is, I am not just recording this video and just giving you information. Before recording this video, I switch off my mobile for 1 hour and I commit myself to take a 1 hour break every day, because I think I am giving my more time in social media and watching YouTube inspirational stories and other things. So today I commit myself to take 1 hour rest every day from mobile phone, and I will do it because it is very necessary for increasing my productivity, for increasing my creativity. So I think it's a good video. If you like it, then comment it and share it. Thank you so much for watching, and you can also comment me for my betterment, and with lots of smile. Once again, thank you so much.